Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase wallet. First, download the Coinbase wallet application from your preferred app store, whether it's for iOS or Android. Once installed, you'll either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your 12-word recovery phrase. Remember to set a very strong password and enable biometric security like fingerprint or Face ID for maximum protection of your digital assets. Now that your wallet is set up, let's add some funds. Open the Coinbase wallet app and tap on the Buy tab. Here, you'll select Bitcoin or BTC from the list of available cryptocurrencies. You can then choose your payment method. Options typically include linking a debit card for instant purchases or connecting a bank account for larger transactions, which might take a few business days to clear. With your payment method ready, it's time to buy Bitcoin. Enter the specific amount you want to purchase, for example, $50 worth or a specific fraction of a Bitcoin. Carefully review all the transaction details presented, including any network fees and the current exchange rate. Once you are satisfied, confirm your purchase. Your Bitcoin will typically appear in your wallet within a few moments, ready for use. Congratulations, you've successfully purchased Bitcoin. Your new Bitcoin balance will now be displayed prominently in your Coinbase wallet. From here, you have full control. You can send it to another wallet, use it for various online purchases, or simply hold on to it. Always remember to keep your recovery phrase safe and consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security on your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.